and I'm more exclusive be mamu because story de me ya na me to aso na me mamu hu say ye kura fela say me mamu dope nation e kwa me ugin ase me wa me ba me want to so mamu me ba why na ye ho na me gina Akwaboah echire mu say enwom ye nkofo de awomfa tie ne bra.
Have you ever kept a song that was meant for somebody?
No.
You've never done that?
No. No, I won't keep it. Once I feel like I should give it out, I'll give it out.
And it comes at a separate charge as well?
Initially, no, but now, yes.
You're giving them out for free?
Yeah, I do songs, yeah. The best in me is the semi-conservative moon, the dark, and all those they go for free. But then, hey, not the way I like I love writing for people. So it is okay, this person can't write, and I'm okay through me. That person has a hit or blah blah blah. I kind of love.
Were you making money out of it?
Doesn't mean I didn't know anything about that time. Everything. Maybe Fernandez and Mattis is telling you women I'm doing here about TV on a radio. So name it
Zero.
Negative. Oh.
I man got nothing, bruv. You got nothing.
Yeah.
You give what is nothing. Yeah.
But that's why Kiki helped with promoting the song and talking about it.
And also got you other
nominations and stuff. And everywhere Becca went, she was always talking about it. Was a gentleman with the song. His name is Akwaboah, blah, blah, blah.
Also put you on.
Yeah, and then people started coming. Into Honor, because they believe you did it for Becca and you can do for them too.
Nice.
This is Hits.
And this is Adom TV. Yenya Wadzoye.